God.
Yeah, these are all like the different powders. And then
just say 6 pound, 7 pound.
This is
6, 7 powder.
This is
I set myself up.
This is
Hey. My house clean.
Kaboom! Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Deborah here. Today I am having a special guest on my page. It is my lovely darling sister, Ruth. So today my sister's going to be doing my makeup. Now, my sister, it's not like my sister doesn't know how to do makeup. She knows how to do makeup, just not how I do it. She does like your basic, you know, everyday girl kind of makeup. However, today I want her to do my makeup how I would do it. So, you know, the full shebang. I'm not giving her respect. She can literally do my makeup how she wants to. I've given her a fresh face, fresh canvas, everything. So she literally, like, my face is clean, ready to go. My eyebrows are pretty much done. Lips are primed and prepped. So good luck.
What do you usually do?
Okay, you have to prime my face. My primers are...
No, that's not
okay. All right.
Primers.
Okay.
This is the primer I know.
Okay, that's fine, no problem.
Lots of people do that.
Oh, keep it. Keep it.
You can go to your local beauty supply store and...
You can't get this from your local beauty supply store.
I don't know if you can see it in the frame.
I'm so done with this, but I'm not American. I'm so
Sorry, are you that person that presses toothpaste anywhere?
No, I don't.
Because
I just do it with this. I don't do that. No, I'm not that person. She's going to be calling me by my African name when she gets stressed out, by the way.
Okay, sorry, Deboestudios.
No, it's fine.
You know when you meet a cousin from ages ago?
And you call them by the name that your mom told you that they are.
Hey God, I'm touching Deborah's face. I've never done your makeup in my life.
Really?
Think about what's really? I've never ever in my life done makeup before for you. So when do
you done makeup for someone else?
Yeah, your mom.
This video is gonna be dumb. This video is gonna be dumb. It don't make no sense.
Whatever. Okay, is there any other primer that you want to use?
No, that's fine.
Okay, what's this? Setting spray.
Yeah.
But do you sometimes use that before?
No.
Okay.
Oh, you would.
Okay, which eyebrow pencil?
You wanna do brows first?
Oh, this is what I'm asking you. What do you do first?
I do my eyebrows last. Like that's
last.
You can do it first.
I have to because it helped me to frame your face.
Okay, I guess.
So which one do you use?
That one, yeah.
Oh really?
Yeah, that one.
Where did you get this from?
Elf. It's like $5 from Walmart.
What, recently?
Yeah, we went together.
Do I know what you pick up? Okay. Just to give it a bit of a brush. Just say this is eyebrow, so this is how I would do it. Eyebrows, guys.
Eyebrows, yeah.
Sorry.
Have you seen that TikTok, of the girl that goes to
I've not seen anything.
Let me tell you what it is, yeah. This girl, she went to the dentist. Her sister's a dental assistant, and her sister was like examining her mouth. She's like licking her sister's fingers. Disgusting, man. Disgusting.
This is not coming out, so. Okay, it's coming out now. It tells me that you follow the line of the hair and you slowly fill it in. When I take an hour on my face, it comes out nice.
Right? Yeah.
So anytime, like say I'm going to an event like a wedding that I care about.
Sometimes you are just a party girl, and let's be real.
Exactly.
Let's be real.
So, oh my God, do you know that wedding that we went to and we're just like, why did we go?
No, which one?
It was a waste of our bloody time.
Which one?
It was a friend of a friend's, and we.
That's so funny because I actually knew people there too.
Exactly. So we were like, oh, it's gonna be a lit wedding.
Yeah.
No, that one was a lit wedding now.
That was
no, that one was an alright wedding.
As you can see, I'm not the crazy one in this family.
Skinned.
Let's be real, I'm not. Everything that I am, I learned from you. Let's be real.
Schemed. See, that's how you guys will not be blaming.
But it's the truth.
When you have your own identity,
but it's true.
Your
you went to uni one day, you drank in Jennifer, you came back home and you started speaking like this, and then I adopted it.
But yeah, smoky high.
What kind? Okay, first of all, what you not gonna do?
So I put the brushes back where I found the brushes. There you go. Hell of a guy.
How do you know to? Blend. Sorry, were you just singing Nicki Minaj?
Who doesn't know Nicki Minaj?
You know Nicki Minaj?
Are you alright?
You're a barb? Are you a barb?
No, I'm not a barb. I'm a Christian. So guys, I'm using the BMM Melanin Fantasy Eyeshadow Palette. It's the sweet brown, guys. So it's just there. It's the sweet brown you can get from your local business. Remember we were obsessed.
Listen,
and we used to watch them and we were like,
every day look up beauty supply store. Meanwhile, they're going to the not the hair shop. They're going to the beauty supply store. When they say beauty supply store,
they mean the hair shop.
The hair shop. Like it's not Superdrug.
No,
Superdrug is Superdrug because that's shoppers in Canada, which would be like what Walgreens or something like that in America. CVS, like
even Target
Targets, yeah.
Join their range. And for all this, how long have we been here already?
Time for shit.
Please, can you not laugh? You're scrunching up your hair. Thank you so much.
Yo, look at her, brand new.
I'm brand new. You don't know, brand new in Christ. First Corinthians.
Oh God.
I believe it's First Corinthians. Please don't put that out there. My scripture.
Yeah, don't claim to know Bible verse. Listen, memory verse, yeah, in children's church was never my thing.
It's something that is very important.
It is, yeah, but I am not good with remembering memory verses. I'm so sorry. Oh God, God.
Therefore, continue.
If any man be in Christ, he's a new creature. All things have passed away. Behold, all things have become new.
Thank you. So you do know scripture.
I did go.
But I'm sorry, Deborah, but this is the best I can do. I didn't go to school for this, and I didn't go to YouTube University either.
YouTube University.
The only thing I learned from YouTube University, like I said, was what did they call it? Wait, I've got good foundation in your face.
Yeah. You've not even done anything yet.
Hey, I'm already tired. Okay. Why are you licking my? Are you drunk? I think I'm gonna leave you like this. And then
you want something more loose though.
Okay.
So we use the first one that you could cut.
Okay. I don't know where it is.
Blowing air on this thing with your lips. Why do you keep pointing?
Why do you blow your breath?
No!
Okay, I thought you used to blow your
Why are you flicking me?
I don't know. Hallelujah.
It's okay, we're not medicine.
He's a mighty God. Oh, Molly Chop. Yeah, this is the makeup I would do.
But when you
do cross, no.
However you want. It's up to you. Your design is free. It changes every day.
So here,
yep,
like this. Off the cross. That's fine. And then you draw a line down.
Yeah.
Okay. Like down the middle. For sake, stop it! You're making me put too much. Are you finished? Okay, I need you to come down. Laugh it out.
God.
Exactly. Finish laughing. And to go and fight war.
I'm screaming. So whilst that is drying, you want it to
dry. Okay.
You just a little bit. You want to apply the concealer, the contour.
Where?
In my contour. This is contour. Era. Yeah, it's foundation, but I use that as contour.
She ain't got no money in the bank.
No.
Why are we not singing worship songs?
You're the one that keeps on coming out with the songs. Because we're singing Nicki Minaj.
So look up to the sky. Look up. Look up. As I lay me down.
What? Rhythm.
Rhythm.
So rhythm.
Heaven hear me. This is not
now. I'm
lost without a cause. Okay, good.
Thank you for the cross, Lord.
You're gonna say thank you for the price. I heard you. I genuinely heard you.
Oh god. How's she doing, guys? I can't see. What? I'm asking the people, you have to engage them. They told me that I have to be engaging.
Okay.
I'm joking, that's not what they told me, but that's the point, engaging, bro. But how's she doing, guys?
On camera it looks great. In real life, I'm not quite sure.
Screaming.
Brushes I'm not using. Get out.
Get out. Tell me that you're sisters without telling me that you're sisters. Hold on, whoa.
What is it?
Dab the excess on your hand. Did you pat off the excess?
It was just a little Deboe. Gosh.
No, tell me you have a sister without telling me. Thank God! Tell me that you have a sister without telling me you have a sister. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Having a sister is elite. I'm so sorry.
Honestly,
there's actually nothing like having this, or even just a sibling in general. Like, even though my brother almost broke my neck multiple times, like we had so much fun.
You guys were together.
Oh, well.
No, it's when you came. I was together with him.
So what are you trying to say? If you're bad, say it. Is it make sure it's the right eye that you're putting?
I don't know. How would I know that?
How will they know?
Okay,
they're gonna know. How will they know? They're gonna know. I look cute.
You do. Well, you just look beautiful anyway. So.
Oh, thanks. Thanks a bunch.
Exactly. Why are you laughing?
My sister keeps flicking the brushes like they're wet or something, bro.
So get rid of the
You want to swell, so...
Oh, okay.
Let me show you the motion. You want to do this.
Okay. Oh, I've seen you do that before.
Yeah.
What did you just do?
Huh?
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah. So, we're almost at the end.
Jehovah.
So, I'm going to highlight and do my lips.
No, go back. Where's the brush?
Are you ready? Okay. In 1, 2, 3. Woo! Oh! I look good! What are you talking about? Sis, come on! What are you talking about? What?
No, stop it. Just because I'm your sister.
What? Are you stupid? No, sis, I look good. No, sis, I'm not even gassing. I wouldn't gas. I don't have time to gas. Nah, we're sistering. What?
Are you sure?
Sis, yeah. No, sis, this is good.
Okay, thanks.
This is actually good. Like, I wouldn't lie. I don't have energy to lie. Yeah, the eye is definitely giving 2009.
Yeah, I don't know how to do.
The eye is definitely giving.
Yeah, I don't know how to do eyes.
I was about to say something. Let me just actually.
I don't know how to do eyes.
The eyebrows are not my type of eyebrows.
They're my type of eyebrows.
But the skin. The skin is radiant, which is exactly what I would do.
Okay. I think maybe I need to learn eyeshadow.
You've actually put everything in the right place. Like, everything looks good.
Okay. Yeah.
Like, I'm not even gonna lie.
Oh.
The only, like, I have this problem too, but it's like this area of my face, I never know how to blend it fully. So it ends up looking either too dark or too light. So it is something that I have an issue with. I don't know what it is about this particular area, but for the most part, it looks good. For the most part, it looks good.
Okay, thanks. So what
you did well. 6? No, you get like an 8.5.
No.
Yeah. But I could absolutely go out like this.
Really?
Absolutely. Okay. And I wouldn't need to change anything. Absolutely. The only thing I do is put mascara on the bottom.
Yeah. But you put mascara.
Absolutely.
Okay, thanks.
You did good. Okay, sis. Okay. That's my best friend. Okay. Thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me and my sister. We had such a blast filming this video. My sister actually smashed it, and that's on purr, okay? No one can tell me nothing. She's the sister of Deboe Studios, and that's actually on period. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my page and to my channel and all that good stuff. Also, leave a comment below, leaving some lovely words for my sister, because she was really nervous, but I believe she really smashed it out. And give her a little rating, okay? If it's too harsh, I'm gonna block you. How about that? Because that's my sister. How about that? I'm that younger sister. What? Who's next? Okay. Anyways, I'll catch you guys another time. Please make sure to follow me on Instagram, Deboe Studios. Please make sure to follow me on TikTok, Deboe Studios as well. I will catch you guys in another video. Okay. Bye.